In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept payments on Google Forms in a simple, clean, and reliable way. Whether you're collecting fees for event registrations, selling tickets, or you simply want a quick method for paid survey submissions, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. And don't worry, even if you've never handled online payments before, you'll be able to set this up smoothly. First, open your Google Drive and go to the New button on the top left corner. Once you're there, select Google Forms and choose a blank form. This gives you a fresh space to build exactly what you need. Now rename your form so respondents immediately know what it's for. After that, add your basic questions, things like name, email address, and anything else necessary for your payment flow. Make sure to toggle the required options so nothing important gets skipped. Next, click on the settings gear icon at the top. You'll see several options that help you personalize how your form behaves. Navigate to the presentation section and look for the confirmation message box. This is where you'll paste a link to your payment processor, for example, PayPal, Stripe, or any other platform you prefer. When someone submits the form, they'll instantly see this message and be guided to the payment page. Follow the on-screen instructions as you edit everything. It's all very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Double-check that your payment link works. Make sure your confirmation message is clear and simple, and always test the form from a separate browser to confirm the flow. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, click button at the top right and share your form with your audience. After that, you should be able to collect payments without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to preview the form to make sure everything looks clean, and consider adding a QR code inside your form for users who want to pay using their phone. Just add a new question, click the image icon, and upload your QR code. Easy and convenient. If you want a more integrated experience, you can also install an add-on like Payable Forms. Click on Get Add-ons, search for it, install it, and follow the simple setup instructions. This tool allows the payment process to happen more seamlessly, and once activated, you can adjust payment settings directly inside your form. Taking this extra step keeps everything smooth and gives your users a more professional experience. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to accept payments on Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?